Welcome to this video on Artificial General Intelligence, Fundamentals and Horizons. We will map the journey from the AI tools we use every day to the potential for conscious machines. The trajectory of AI intelligence began in 1950 with the Turing test. Over the decades, we moved through the coining of AI, the rise of neural networks, and deep learning, leading us to today's generative AI, with the future goal of matching human cognition. Understanding AI begins with its taxonomy. At the broadest level, we have artificial intelligence, which includes machine learning, deep learning, and finally, the specialized field of generative AI, where models create original content. This matrix illustrates the difference between discriminative and generative AI. While discriminative models are designed to classify existing data, generative models are capable of creating entirely new data, such as essays or images. Generative models learn through a competition process. A generator creates fake data, while a discriminator evaluates it against real samples. Through this feedback loop, the generator improves its output until it becomes highly realistic. We are currently shifting toward agentic AI. In this paradigm, a user provides a complex goal to an orchestrator, which then breaks the objective into subtasks for independent autonomous agents to execute. The Intelligence Horizon Matrix categorizes AI by capability. Artificial narrow intelligence performs single tasks, while AGI is intended to match human cognitive ability. Beyond that lies the theoretical realm of artificial superintelligence. AGI is defined by its ability to match or surpass human capabilities across virtually all cognitive tasks. This includes reasoning under uncertainty, long-term strategic planning, and the ability to transfer knowledge between domains. Several benchmarks have been proposed to evaluate AGI, ranging from conversational proficiency in the Turing test to physical assembly tasks, embodied actions in new environments, and economic performance benchmarks. The development of AGI is central to a philosophical divide. The weak AI hypothesis posits that machines merely simulate thinking, while the strong AI hypothesis argues that they could truly possess a mind and consciousness. When we weigh the existential scales, AGI presents both profound benefits and significant risks. While it could accelerate medical breakthroughs, it also raises concerns regarding workforce displacement and the potential for losing human control. The convergence of massive data, deep learning, agentic orchestration, and ethical alignment provides the foundation for reaching the AGI horizon. This approach integrates scale with autonomy and safe boundaries. AGI represents a transformative technology in human history. We are not merely observers of this progress. We are the ones coding, aligning, and choosing the destination of this future.